To quickly move within your timeline without a mouse, simply press the L key to shuttle forward in your timeline. Press it more times to shuttle faster. And to stop, press the K key. To rewind, press the J key. To make cuts while you move in real time, press the L key to move forward. And to cut off the tail end of a clip, press W. This will ripple delete the tail end off the clip, and as you continue to shuttle forward and need to cut off the top end of a clip, press the Q key, and it will ripple delete the top end off. So try out using the JKL and QW hotkeys combinations in your next video edit and let me know how it goes. That's all there is to top tail editing in Premiere, and I'll see you next time.